rules of Boolean algebra you studied before this. And then the basic elements of the circuit is what we call as the gates. So now you can see this one. Okay, the inverter. So the NOT gate is an electronic circuit that produces an inverter version okay, of the input as the output. So remember, when you want to use this gate the inverter, it will convert the value from the positive to the negative or from the negative to the positive. For example, here, when you have one input A here, this is the symbol for the inverter. This is the symbol for the inverter. Don't use the wrong one. Kalau let's say your input is A, so it's going to produce the output, the bar A. Kalau meaning to say the input representing the true value. So after you use the inverter value, you will produce the false value. Ataupun sebaliknya, if you use the false value here, and then you will produce the true value. So dia seolah-olah macam apa? Macam the negation that you study in your chapter number 1. Okay. Okay, so this is inverter. Yang kedua, now this is OR gate. OR gate is the one almost similar to what you have studied in your chapter 1. That is disjunction. Okay, that is disjunction. So here, the OR gate is an electronic circuit that gives you the high output one if one or more of its inputs are high. High here means what? High here maksudnya satu. Satu means what? The true value. Ingat ini High here means for one value one, the input true. So kalau let's say ada dua inputs here, when you go through the OR gate dia macam bulan the one you can decide like this this is how to draw the OR gate with two input, one output. So this part is the input, this part is your output. Two input and one output, and you can see when two input A and B go through the OR gate, this is the output A plus B. When you see A plus B means A or B. A or B maksudnya apa? Maksudnya macam disjunction. Either one is true, then the answer is true. You see this one? True, the answer is true. True, the answer is true. Either one is true, the answer is true. So this is OR gate. Now AND gate. AND gate here, okay, bear in mind that the dot is sometimes omitted. Okay, apa maksud ayat ini? The dots is sometimes omitted. This is the AND gate symbol, AND gate symbol with two input and one output. Let's say two inputs here representing by A and B, and then go by using the AND gate, we will get A dot B. A dot B. We can write A dot B, or you also can write AB. Okay, and this is the one that you study in your chapter 1. It's about conjunction. Conjunction means what? Dua true, then the only answer can be true. Macam ini. You see this one? Okay, dua true, then the answer is true. This is AND gate. Now, after you know about the inverter gate, AND gate, and OR gate, now we can try to construct by using the combination of the inverters, OR gate, and AND gate. This is what we want to do, okay? The combination. So how are we going to draw the combination? For example, this one. Look at the circuit number 1. This is circuit number 2. Look at the circuit 1. Okay, the first one here, this one. Output SY. Output SY, what is this gate? What is this one? Can you tell me? What is this?
Output.
Yes, output. Then what is this gate? Apa nama gate ini?
AND gate.
AND gate.
Yeah, AND gate. This is AND gate. This is AND gate. So dua input masuk S and Y, produce the SY. Dua input masuk, produce SY. Okay, produce SY. And then what about this one? What is this gate?
NOT gate.
Bukan NOT gate. This is what you call inverter. Inverter. Walaupun dia akan produce NOT. So you see the S masuk, you will produce the bar S, not S. S and then this one is not S, and another input here Y. So this is AND gate. So what you can get is the bar S dot Y, ataupun you boleh tulis bar S and Y. So these two output akan melalui satu lagi gate di sini. Apa nama gate ini?
OR gate.
Okay, okay, you use the summation, okay, summon. So dia akan campurkan dua output ini. Okay, now you can see the second one. The second one here sebenarnya, this one the number 2 here, dia sama seperti number 1. Gate ini dengan gate ini, dua ini sebenarnya sama. Apa yang beza? Beza dia adalah this one do the sharing of input. Dia share input. Macam mana saya kata dia sharing of input? Kau tengok, input pertama S and Y, so melalui the AND gate akan dapat SY. Tetapi untuk yang kedua, inverter sini, kalau sini kita create X sendiri, tapi sekarang kita tak mau create, kita tarik dari sini. Kita tarik dari sini untuk mendapatkan output dia bar X. Jimatkan. Jimat buat satu kali sahaja. And then the same thing for the input from the Y, input from Y pun kita tarik dan masuk sini. Kita tak mau create. Ini betul, tetapi dia kurang efektif. Ini yang bagus. This one bagus sikit sebab dia berkongsi, sharing. And then dia akan melalui proses yang sama until you get this one. Okay? Now, what I want you to do now, we do it together, We do it together, class. Okay, construct the circuit that produce the following. Let me share with you the whiteboard. Okay. Lain kali kalau siapa yang masuk lewat saya memang tidak akan tekan mic Ilmu itu milik saya. Kalau tak mau belajar tepat masa belajar sendiri. Okay, now can you see this one, the Microsoft whiteboard here? Can you see the whiteboard, class?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do it together. We do it together now. For the first one here, let's see for the first one. Macam mana kita mau lukis dia? S plus Y, S plus Y, and then followed by the bar S. S plus Y followed by the bar S. So what I can do is, I know that this one satu group, this one another group. Okay, this one satu group, this one another group. Jadi, apa yang saya nak buat sekarang? So for the first one here, this is what is the gate that you need to use for this one? AND gate or OR gate?
OR gate.
Okay.
Okay, so saya create satu OR gate di sini. OR gate with two inputs here, with two input. One is S, the other one is Y. So I will get the output S plus Y. Okay. Now, ini sebenarnya adalah S plus Y dot the bar S. Dot here meaning I need one AND gate here. I need one AND gate here. Dot. So meaning to say, ini saya akan tarik ke sini. So for this one, saya perlukan gate apa? Gate apa yang saya perlukan? Sebab ada bar di sini, nampak tak? You see the bar here? Yes, not gate or inverter gate. So I need one inverter gate untuk sambungkan dia dengan satu input. Okay, what is the input that I need? Apakah input dia? X. So melalui inverter gate saya akan dapat bar X. So melalui this one, this is the AND gate, saya akan dapat X plus Y dot the bar X. So this is your answer. Tetapi kalau let's say you want to do the sharing, boleh tak? Boleh. You see S Y, and then this is the OR gate. Okay, lepas itu saya tidak mau create input baru. I do the sharing. Saya tarik daripada S input di sini. Go to the inverter gate here. So ini pun boleh. So at the end, I dapat yang the S bar S juga. So this one here masih sama lagi. This is S plus Y. So at the end, go through the AND gate, saya akan dapat S plus Y dengan bar S. Okay. Dua ini sama. The only difference is this one I do the sharing. Okay. I do the sharing on the input. Okay. Itu saja yang berbeza. Okay. So I hope you clear with this one. Now, the second question, here, the bar S dot the bar for Y plus Z. Okay, be careful. This one they got the bar S dot the bar Y plus Z. This one only bar S. This one bar on the object. So what I can do now is, okay, let me settle this one first. So this one I need what? What gate I need is class. What gate I need for this one?
Not
And
Not yet.
Not inverter. Okay, inverter gate. Inverter gate. So inverter gate with one input only. S. Selepas S, go through the gate inverter. What I get for the output? What I get for X? Yes,
Y.
bar S. So now for this one, the bar Y plus Z. This one I need the OR gate. So I create one OR gate here. Biar macam bulan, Okay, now with two input masuk. This one is Y. This one is Z. Okay. After this, saya akan dapat apa? Y plus Z. But remember the bar here. So I need to go through another one, the inverter gate here, in order for me to get the bar for Y plus Z. Okay. So after this, you see, after this, what can I do? This one, dot here, what I need to use for the dot?
Yet.
Okay, I need one AND gate here. So, saya akan gabungkan dua ini into the AND gate here in order to create one output. So, this is the bar S, the bar Y plus Z. This is your answer. Copy down, make sure you copy down. Alright, so this is the second one. Okay, any question you want to ask me? Okay, now the last one, the last one is S plus Y plus Z, and then the bar S, bar Y, and bar Z. How are we going to do this one? Sudah copy?
udah.
Sudah.
Okay, now the bar and the S plus Y plus Z dot apa bar S, bar Y, and bar Z. Ini be careful class. Let me tell you this one. You have to be very careful on this one. Ini tidak sama awak buat ini SYZ. Tidak sama. Tidak sama. Jangan ingat bar satu kali SYZ tak sama. So what I can do now is, okay. Okay. This is OR gate. This is OR gate. So now I can create this OR gate bulan with three input here, S, Y, and Z in order to get S plus Y plus Z. Okay. Now another one is sekarang masalah adalah bar S, bar Y, and bar Z. We want to do the sharing to save it. Okay. So what can I do is, saya akan tarik dari sini melalui satu inverter gate. for me to get the bar S. Tarik dari sini, I want to get another inverter get for me to get the bar Y, and then another one here, inverter get for me to get the bar Z. And then this string ini sebenarnya adalah bar S dot bar Y dot bar Z. Jadi, what can I do is saya akan melalui satu AND gate di sini. Okay, melalui satu AND gate di sini. Okay, keluar. I will get the bar S dot bar Y dot bar Z. Now, how can I combine this input with this input? Any idea, class? How can I combine these two?
And get.
Okay, I use the AND gate. I use the AND gate now. So I will get S plus Y plus Z dot bar S bar Y and bar Z. So this is your answer. All right. Okay, now, so please practice on this one. Practice on this one, how to draw the circuit. This one is considered very bonus questions. Okay, let's see. Now, look at my slide again. Sekejap. This is section 155. Saya dengar ada seorang drop. Kenapa drop? Siapa kawan dia? Siapa kawan dia seorang yang drop tu? Okay, now let's see, let's see the slide, let's see the slide now. So after we done the combination of gates, right, I want you to see this one, the minimization of the circuit. The efficiency of the combination circuit depends on the number and the arrangement of the gates. Okay, effective or not, efficient or not ini sebenarnya dia sangat bergantung kepada jumlah gates yang diguna. Jumlah gates yang diguna semakin kurang kan, semakin efficient. So that's why we need to know how to minimize the Boolean function and make it possible to construct the circuit for this function that use the fewest gate, untuk gunakan gate yang paling sikit dan input yang paling sikit untuk circuit yang awak bina itu. So how we are going to learn the kernel map? Cara ini. K-map was designed in 1950 to help minimize the circuit by hand. So useful in minimizing the circuit with up to 6 variables. Tetapi for your label, saya hanya akan ujikan paling banyak pun kan saya sampai 3 variable. Saya tak akan buat sampai kepada 6 variable. 3 variable paling banyak. Degree, orang degree saya buat 4 variables. Kalau orang lebih di atas lagi kita baru buat banyak. So your level diploma kita buat 3 sahaja. So to reduce the number of terms in the Boolean expression representing the circuit, it is necessary to find the terms to combine. You see the keyword is combine. How are we combine? Okay. So kernel maps provides the pictorial method. Kita buat rajak. Okay, mungkin kalau suruh awak buat macam simplifying the Boolean expression macam bahagian sebelum ini mungkin awak rasa susah. So Kita buat pictorial method, grouping together the expression with the common factors and therefore eliminating unwanted variables. Lepas kita groupkan mereka, baru kita eliminate bahagian-bahagian yang kita tidak mahu. Okay, so how? Tengok ini. The diagram below illustrate the correspondence between the kernel map and the truth table for the general case of a two variable problems. Okay. Ini adalah truth table yang awak belajar. This is a truth table you study before. 0, 0, 0, 0, you get A. 0, 1, you get B. 1, 0, you get C. 1, 1, you get D. Okay. How are we going to fill in the pictorial of K-match? Okay, now. Ikut template ini. Kalau dua variable, kalau dua variable template dia senang. Awak cuma perlu buat macam ini. So, this is the first variable AB. Label ini 01, 01. Ingat ini ya. Ini template dia. Kena hafal ini ya. Hafal ini. So, macam mana isi? Kalau 00, lokasi dia A. You see A0, B0. Then, this is the place. This is the place. Kalau A0, B1. A0, B1. This is B. Tolong betulkan. This is B. Kalau 10, A1 and B0, A1 and B0, A1 and B0, sorry, B0 is here, then this is C. Tolong betulkan. BC tolong betulkan kan? BC salah. Kalau A1 and B1, this is the place D. Okay, so minta tolong betulkan dalam buku. This is C and this one is B. Okay, now. So the values inside the squares copy from the output column of the truth table. This one value dia semua kita copy daripada sini. What is this? This is your output. Okay. And therefore, there is one square in the map for every row in the truth table. Setiap satu ini, you see this one 0. 0 ini datang dari mana? Datang dari baris ini. A0, B0. Okay. Now, consider this one. Kalau A bar B plus AB. Macam mana kita nak buat A bar B plus AB? Okay. Kalau tidak ada bar, A, it is 1. B is 0. Kalau A, 1. B is 1. So, A1, yang ini dulu, kita buat ini dulu. A1, B0. A1 di sini, B0 di sini. That's why tulis nombor 1 sini. Di output here. Kalau A1 ini, B1 ini, A1 di sini, B1 di sini. So, kita tulis dekat sini. Itu cara kita masukkan dia. Alright? Now, cuba tengok yang ini. Kalau melalui algebra simplification that you study before, soalan dia, Z katakan equal to A bar B plus AB. Okay, how can we simplify this one? By using the identification, Boolean identification. Okay, ada benda yang sama tak? A and A sama kan? So, I take out the A, tinggal the bar B plus B. So, B and the bar B, what's the difference? Kalau B sahaja, it is 1. Kalau the bar B, it is 0. 1 meaning true. 0 meaning false. Plus meaning or. True or false? What is the answer, class? True or false?
True.
True representing 1 or 0?
1.
Very good. So, itu adalah A kali dengan 1. A darab 1, the answer is? A kali 1, the answer is?
A.
Copy down yang ini ya, class. Copy down this one so that you know how to get A.
A.
So, sekarang you have to understand. Kalau saya kata B plus the bar B, it is 1 or 0. Plus ini maksudnya or. True or false? Your chapter 1, true or false? Then the answer is true. True representing number 1. 1 darab A, you will get A. That's why at the end, you akan dapat Z equals to A. So, benda ini kan kita boleh selesai juga dengan menggunakan K-map. Okay, now, look at this. Ini adalah yang pakai dua variable. Okay, again, Kalau dua variable, variable A, variable B. 0 and 1. 0, 1. Template kena betul dulu. Template salah, semua salah. Ha? Okay, look at the questions. The question said, bar A, bar B, plus A, bar B, plus the bar A and B. Okay, now, I told you just now, if you see the bar, meaning the value is 1 or 0, okay,
Zero.
so this is 0, this one 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1. Okay, the first one, A0, B0, A0, B0. So, di sini tempat dia, 1. Okay, A1, B0, A di sini, A1, B0. So, di sini tempat dia, 1. Kalau A0, B1, A0, B1. Ini tempat dia 1. Faham tak? Boleh, ha? So now, let's see. After you done this one, how can I group them? Okay, saya padan dulu, ha? How can I group them now? To group them, okay. To group them, saya boleh group macam ini. This is one group. This is one group. Okay, ini group 1. That's why saya buat 1 di sini. Group 1. Second group, I can group them in this way. Ini another group, one group. So I label them as number 2 here. Meaning to say, daripada pictorial graph ini kan, saya boleh buat groupkan dia dalam 2 kumpulan yang berbeza. Okay. Okay, bila awak groupkan macam ini kan, how to decide? Okay, cuba tengok yang pertama, group 1 ini. Okay, nanti ya, saya copy sekejap lah. Saya copy sekejap yang ini. Sebab susah sangat nak buat di sini. Saya nak tulis dalam whiteboard senang sikit. Okay, can you see my whiteboard now? Huh? Cannot see the whiteboard. Can you see the? Okay, now look at here. Look at here. The question is, your Z now is the bar A and the bar B plus the A and the bar B plus the B, bar A and B. Okay, now. Bila awak buat group macam ini kan, okay, bila groupkan dia macam ini, this is your A, this is your B, 0, 1, 0, 1. Template mesti betul, I repeat. So after you group just now, you see this is what you get. Okay, look at the first group. This is your first group, betul? This is your first group. For the first group ini, refer to what? The bar A and bar B. Yang ini, this one, right? The bar A and bar B. And then this one is A and the bar B. Alright? So now, what I can do is, saya cuba nak buat ini dulu. How to simplify this one? To simplify this one is, I can do the bar A and the bar B plus A and the bar B. Okay, macam mana saya nak simplifykan dia? You can see apa benda yang sama? The bar? Yes.
Bar B.
So, I take out the bar B. Tinggal apa? A, bar A plus
A.
Okay, bagus. So now, the bar B, bar A is what? Kosong or 1?
0.
0. Plus ialah apa? A
Plus 1.
or 1, or 1. 0 or 1, the answer is what?
1.
So the bar B times 1 is?
Bar B.
Bar B.
Okay, now, look at here, class. Look at here, Kalau saya buat pengiraan ini, saya akan dapat the bar B melalui simplification by using the Boolean identification kan. Tapi kalau saya buat melalui kemek di sini, tengok ini adalah the bar for B. This is the bar A and this is the A kan. Kalau dia group macam ini, kan, Meaning to say, A dengan bar A akan gabung hilang. Tinggal apa?
Babi.
So that's why awak terus dapat jawapan ini. So ini melalui cara simplification. Sini melalui cara kemat. Okay, settle one part. Now, we want to do the second one. Okay, yang kedua, I group them this here. This is my second group. So for the second group sekarang, okay, dia merujuk kepada kumpulan ini kan, kumpulan ini. So, let me show you how to get by using the simplification. So, kalau A bar B plus the bar A and B, jadi macam mana saya nak buat benda ini? Macam mana nak buat benda ini? How to simplify this one? Can we simplify this one?
No.
Okay, kalau this one, you see, kalau you do this one by using the simplification kan, a lot of things that you need to do. But when you refer to the K-map here, tengok K-map ini sahaja, tengok sini Sini, this one is the bar B, this one is B. Jadi maknanya apa? Sorry saya group salah. I suppose group ini kan, okay, ni padan dulu Sekejap saya padan dulu. Saya sepatutnya grupkan the bar A and B dengan siapa? Dengan the bar A and B dengan the bar A and bar B yang ini kan, betul tak? Betul kan? Saya sepatutnya grupkan macam ini. So the bar A and the bar B plus the bar A and B. Okay. Kalau this one, okay, I take out the bar A, maka tinggal the bar B plus B. Bar B plus B, that is 0 plus 1. Betul? 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 means what? 0 plus 1 means 0 or 1. False or true? What is your answer, class? False or true?
True.
Yalah, true. So value is 1 or 0. So the bar A times 1, you will get the bar A kan. Maka maksudnya daripada group 2 sini saya akan dapat bar A. Daripada group 1 sini saya dapat bar B. How to combine the output? So meaning to say, selepas melalui kemat ataupun simplification, awak akan dapat apa? The bar A campur the bar B. Or in other words, maknanya kalau yang ini, after we simplify it, we get the bar A plus bar B. So this is your answer. This is how we simplify by using the simplification, gunakan apa? Boolean identification. This is how we simplify by using the kemat sehingga kita dapat jawapan ini untuk gabungkan dia. Okay? So later I will send to you this one. You can take a look again. Okay, now. Mari kita tengok slide semula. Tengok slide lagi. Okay, now can you see my slide? Can you see my slide, class?
No, doctor.
Now can you see the slide?
Yes.
Okay, so from the slide now, okay, I want to share with you the rules of simplification. Grouping ini kan, kita bukan group suka hati. Tapi ada syarat-syaratnya yang perlu kita ikut. The first rule is, the group may not include any cell containing 0. Kalau ada kosong di sini kan, jangan group. Kita hanya group nombor 1. Ingat ini, group nombor 1. That's why macam ini, kita boleh groupkan dia 1 dengan 1. Kosong ini jangan group, jangan tulis pun. That is the first rule. Second rule, Group may be horizontal or vertical. Boleh kita group secara melintang atau menegak. You see this one menegak, this one melintang, betul? You cannot say you want to group in diagonal way. No, tak boleh group macam ini ya. This one cannot. You cannot group it in the diagonal way, alright? So you can group it in according to the horizontal or vertical. Now, syarat ketiga, group must contain 1, 2, 4, 8 or in general 2 power n. Ikut ini. You boleh groupkan 1, boleh groupkan 2, boleh groupkan 4, boleh groupkan 8. Dia ikut formula 2 kuasa n. Okay. Tak boleh group 3. Group 1 maknanya apa? Maknanya group 1 sahajalah. Kalau group 2, tengok ini. This is the group of 2. Ada 1, ada 2, nombor 1 kan? So ini group of 2. Kalau group of 4, ini dia. Kita groupkan 4. Okay. Kalau group of macam group ini 3. You group them together. No, cannot. You can't do in this way. Sebab saya sudah kata according to 1, 2, 4 and 8. 3 jangan. Group of 5, you see this one, ada orang kata boleh tak saya group macam ini? Group of 5. No, cannot. Alright. Kalau case macam ini, apa yang saya nak buat? Kalau ada 5 di sini. Ini idea kelas. Kalau group of 5 ni macam mana saya nak buat? Kalau group of 5, you can do in this way. Awak boleh groupkan 4 sebab ada nombor 4 di sini kan. Or you can groupkan 2 ini juga. Jadi dia akan menghasilkan 2 group. Satu group of 4, satu group of 2. Okay. Now, each group should be as large as possible. Groupkan sebesar yang mungkin. Sebesar yang mungkin. Nah, macam contoh ini. You cannot say you want to group 2 ini sekali, 2 ini satu group, 2 ini satu group, nampak cantik. No, cannot. You cannot do in this way. Alright. Ataupun ada orang kata, saya nak group seperti ini. 2 ini satu group, 2 ini satu group, 2 ini satu group. No, cannot also. Okay, cannot also. Kenapa tak boleh? Ada orang kata saya nak group ikut cara ini. Ini satu group, ini 2, ini 2, ini 1. Ini berapa group di sini? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 group di sini kan? Lagi banyak. Tak boleh. Tak boleh ya. So tak boleh kita suka hati. Ada syarat dia. So the condition is as large as possible. Yang paling besar 4 ini saya groupkan bersama. Kemudian 4 ini saya masih boleh groupkan bersama. Overlapping dia okey. Dia boleh sharing di situ. Okay, so sini hanya akan bentuk 2 group yang besar. Clear? Now, each cell containing a 1 must be in at least one group. At least one group. So seperti ini. Kalau ini groupkan dia satu group. Ini kalau awak nak buat satu group ini nombor 1 boleh tapi tidak cantik. So what I can do for this one actually kan saya galakkan you all kan you can group in this way. You boleh groupkan ini supaya dia nampak cantik. Kalau nak group satu sahaja boleh tapi dia kurang efektif. Okay. Now group may overlapping. Overlapping. I told you just now as large as possible. Ini satu group. 4 group in 4. I also can do this one group in 4. So there are 2 groups here overlapping to each other, group of 4. So ini okay, boleh. This one satu group, jangan, tidak boleh. Sebab apa? Membazir. Awak create 3 groups padahal sini saya hanya buat 2 group. Buat groups yang sekurang yang mungkin. Now, look at this one. This one be careful. This one. Groups may wrap around the table. The leftmost in the row may be grouped with the rightmost cell and the top cell in the column may group with the bottom cell. Maksudnya apa? Saya boleh group macam ini. Ini saya group dengan ini. 4 ini dia macam kita buat wrapping kan, kita balutkan dia. So 4 ini satu group. Ataupun ada orang boleh buat macam ini juga. Okey. Katakan saya sekarang nak wrap macam ini. Saya nak wrapkan ini dengan ini satu group. Ini dengan ini another group. Pun 2 group juga. So atas balut dengan bawah ataupun kiri balut dengan kanan. Okay. Now, the group should be as few groups as possible. Look at this one. Okay. This is group of 4. This is another group of 4. So I only create 2 groups here. This one group, 2 group, 3 group terlalu banyak. We don't want. Okay. Now, syarat yang lain seperti no zero allows. Okay, no zero allows. Okay, no diagonal. Only power of 2 iaitu 1, 2, 4, 8. And then as large as possible. At least one group. Overlapping, okay. Wrapping, okay. Fewest number. Okay. Now, ini contoh dia. Kalau sekarang saya nak buat 3 variable. Tadi saya kata kalau 2 variable ikut format. Ini A01, B01. This is template dia. Kalau 3 variable ikut format ini juga, dia akan jadi A, B, C. Then C senang 01. Cuma A, B you have to remember. You must start with 00, 01, 11, 10. Ikut template ini. 00 ni macam ini, macam ini, macam this one. Macam this one, macam this one, macam this one. Start from 00, 01, 11 and 10. Okay. So itu dia. 3 variable. 3 variable. So how? Okay, tengok. A, B, 00 and C 0. 00 and C 0. So output dia apa? Output this one is 0, right? So I write the 0 here. Okay. Now, saya padan dulu. Tak cukup tempat mau tulis. Okay. Katakan let's say now. Ini ikut output dia. Ikut output. Katakan this one. AB 10. C is 0. Output is 1. AB 10. C is 0. Output is 1. Ini cara kita masukkan dia. Okay, I show you one more example. Kalau this one, AB 11. C is 1. Output 0. AB 11. C is 1. And then, so output dia 0 di sini. Dia ikut susunan macam ini. Tengok tempat ini. So, AB 0. So, this is how we use the K-map here. Now, macam mana kita nak buat grouping untuk 3 variable ini? Okay, let me show you. Let me show you. So, let's see. Sekarang, 0, 0 ini 0. 0, 0, 0 itu we ignore already, right? We ignore them. Okay, yang ini 0, 0, 0, 0. Biarkan, tak mau tengok. Boleh tak saya groupkan ini 3 satu group? Boleh tak kelas?
Tak.
Tak boleh, tak boleh. So, I already told you just now, kita hanya boleh buat ikut 1, 2, 4. So, 2 ini satu group, 2 ini satu group. So, only 2 groups created here. Okay? Okay, now I want you to look at this one. This is AC plus AB. AC plus AB. Macam mana kita nak buat ini? AC plus AB. AC plus AB. A is 1. C is 1. A is 1. Ini pada prime di sini. So, 0. Betul? Jadi, bila kita tulis ini, make sure 00, 01, 11, 10. Susunan template mesti betul dulu, 0 and 1. A, 1, AC, 1. So, 1, kena tengok 1 ini dengan C 1. Kalau dia tak tulis, maknanya B ini pun 1 dan B pun mungkin 0. So, 1 kena masuk sini, 1 kena masuk sini. Kalau dia tak tulis, I mean for this one, kalau AC, AC maybe AC B plus AC bar B. Jadi ada 2 benda ini, satu yang awak kena masuk. Because why? Okay, I show you just now already. Kalau ini saya simplify, I will get this one AC B plus the bar B. So I will get AC 1 plus 0. At the end AC times 1. At the end AC. Betul tak? So that's why kalau awak dapat ACB plus AC bar B, ACB, AC bar B kan, maka make sure awak akan labelkan ini 1 and ini 1. And the last one is AB prime. AB prime memang 1, 0. So di sini. 1, 0 di sini. Okay. So after that, you group them according to the rules that we studied just now. Okay. Settle. Now, any question you want to ask me? So this is a chem map, okay? So you can see how simple we simplify the Boolean, right? By using the chem map compared to this one. Compared to this one, the identification formula yang awak study hari itu. Okay. Sudah kat saya bincang yang online tutorial yang saya letak dalam Google Classroom? Sudah bincang ke belum? Yang SOP dengan POS tu?
Belum.
Belum, huh? Okay. Now, can you see my whiteboard? Can you see my whiteboard, class?
No.
Okay, wait, huh? Let me share now. Okay, now everyone, I want you to go download your Google Classroom, the tutorial 8, tutorial 8, the one I upload in your Google Classroom. I said very important one. Make sure you understand. Make sure you understand. You don't understand, you have to understand also. Try your best. Okay, soalan dia macam ini. Kalau G equals to A plus B, A plus bar C plus A bar B. This is the question, right? This is the question. So in the tutorial, I asked you to construct the truth table for this Boolean function. Okay. So daripada truth table sini, okay, mari kita lihat. So 3 variable. So I need 8 rows here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, 7 and 8. So let's say 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1, and then 0, 0, double 1. Okay, and then 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, ini dia. Now, A plus B, you must settle this one first. A plus B means what? Can anyone tell me what is A plus B?
A or B?
A or B. So either one is true, then the answer is
True.
true. So ini dia 1, 1, 1, 1. And ini yang 2, 2, 0. Huh? Okay, A plus bar C. A plus bar C. After you negate C and then you find the disjunction with A, this one I think you can settle yourself, right? So I copy down the answer 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and then the A for the bar B, yeah, this one is 0, 0, 0, 0, double 1 here, and 0, 0. Truth table, make sure you're okay. Okay, and then this one, the whole thing, you combine together, di bawah G, the whole thing here, the whole thing G here. So you will get 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 1. Alright, this is your truth table. Kita nak gunakan truth table ini, that's why I want you to make sure that you know the truth table, Okay. Let's see the questions. How can we get the SOP and POS here? Alright, now tukar pen sikit. Okay. A plus B, A plus bar C plus A the bar B. Okay, this is the question. How I'm going to do is A multiplied with A, what I get? AA, betul? A multiplied with the bar C, what I get? Plus
A bar C.
A bar C. And then this one with this one, what you get?
BA. AB.
BA. Oh, okay, or AB sama, sama saja. And then this one, what you get?
B bar C.
Okay, and then the last one, you copy down A, the bar B. All right. Now, after you done this one, you need to know how to simplify it. Okay, nampak tak ini? Ini ada A, ini ada A, this one ada A, this one ada A. So I can combine all the A together here. So I take out the A. I take out the A. So the balance here, A plus the bar C plus B plus the bar B. Betul? Saya keluarkan A. And this one, I cannot do anything. I just copy down AB. Okay, I just copy down AB. Sorry, bukan. Salah. I copy down B bar C. B bar C, huh? This one. Sepatutnya ini. B bar C. Okay. Now, we want to settle what we simplify here. This one. How can we simplify it? Okay, awak tengok you think of the true value, 1 or 0. Think of this one. Yang positif, yang tidak ada bar, tidak ada prime is 1. Yang ada bar, kosong. 1 campur kosong, campur 1, campur kosong. Betul? Yang ada bar, kosong. Yang tak ada bar, 1. Plus B, the bar C. So now, what you get for this one? Can you tell me what you get?
True.
Okay, you get true. True represent by the number 1. So A darab 1 campur B bar C. So A times 1, what you get?
A.
A. So the answer is A plus
B.
B bar C. Okay, now class, when you come to this step, this is your SOP. This is your SOP, sum of product. This is how to get. Alright? So bila sampai step ini, now if I ask you to copy down the sum of min terms, formula asal dia, SOP punya formula asal. Okay, SOP, you remember or not? I told you. You check number 1 or number 0. SOP, you check 1 or 0.
Number 1.
Yes, very good. Okay, so orang saja tahu. Okay, you check number 1, the output 1, So yang output 1 ini sahaja yang ada. Ada berapa? Ada 5 di sini kan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So kalau yang ini SOP kan, then when you look at the input 0 representing, katakan ini 0, ini representing A ke O? A bar A. A or bar A? 0 ini.
Bar A. A.
Bar A kan? So, meaning to say, sekarang ini adalah bar A, B, and the bar C. For the first one kan, ini bar A, B, and the bar C. Betul? Now, can you tell me the second one? 100 here. 100, this one class. Can you tell me?
A bar B bar C.
Yes. Okay. A bar B and bar C. Okay. What about this one? The next one? What about this one?
A bar B C.
A bar B C.
Okay. Next one?
A
A.
Bar C.
A.
A B bar C.
Alright. The last one?
A B C.
A, B, C. Okay. Now, ini adalah produk yang awak hasilkan. Betul tak? Whether A, B, C, A bar B, C, or A bar B, A bar C, or A, B bar C kan, semua ini kan, these are all the products. So, how are you going to combine all the products under the SOP? Jadi, ini bar A, B, and bar C, awak akan campurkan semua. Campurkan semua. So, A, the bar B and C plus the A, B, bar C plus A, B, C. Tengok. Ini dia semua. So this is how to get your SOP. Bila awak rumuskan dia, simplify this one, right? You akan dapat ini juga. So, sama ada awak buat melalui ini, soalan dia, simplify it until you get the last one, the more simple one. Ataupun you generate your formula from the truth table here. Tengok yang output 1, tulis ini, and then you combine them. Okay? So this is your SOP. Any question? So far, any question you want to ask me?
So far so good, Doctor.
Very good. Akhirnya ada seorang manusia yang balas Yang lain kan tak tahu sudah mati mabuk sana ke apa kan atau berlangsung tak faham ke, I don't know. Seorang saja yang boleh jawab. Okay, now I want to show you the next one, POS. Okay, we do the POS. Kalau SOP, we check the number 1. POS, we check number?
0.
Yeah,
Zero.
remember? We check 0, we check 0. So now, pergi tengok sini, ini kosong, kosong, kosong. 3 sahaja kosong kan? Okay, be careful Tadi kita kata, kalau di bawah SOP kan, kosong ini adalah bar A. Sekarang kosong akan menjadi, for the first one, this one, kosong ini macam mana tulis?
ABC.
No, remember this is your product of sum. A plus B plus C. Ingat bila you buat POS kan, dia akan jadi produk, akan jadi sum. Ini semua sebab awal buat SOP kan, betul tak?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me this one, the next one, baris yang seterusnya?
A
A,
A plus
bar
B plus bar C.
yes, correct. The next one, kosong yang seterusnya?
A
Bar A
bar
plus B plus C.
Say again.
Bar A plus B plus C.
Are you sure bar A?
A
A plus bar B plus bar C.
Be careful dua ini terbalik kalau SOP dan POS kan, okay, ingat ini. So how are we going to group them? 3 kosong ini how are we going to group them? A plus B plus C dot A plus B plus the bar C dot A plus bar B plus bar C kan? So this is the formula that you get from the POS, from the truth table. Okay, so now the thing is, how are we going to simplify it? Kalau PSOP, kita boleh simplify guna cara macam ini senang. Kalau POS macam mana? Okay, POS, you kena buat one by one. Okay, tengok macam mana kita nak buat sekarang. Okay, saya salin semula supaya dalam bentuk sebaris. Okay, kalau POS kan, POS, okay, siapa? Sekejap. Okay, kalau sekarang A plus B plus C, A plus B plus the bar C, A plus bar B plus the bar C, alright? Now, sekarang, macam mana saya nak simplifykan dia? Practice kelas. Okay, let me settle this one for you first. Nampak tak apa benda yang sama di bawah ini? This one A plus B, this one A plus B. Nampak sama kan? A plus B, A plus B, betul tak? Jadi, saya boleh keluarkan A plus B dulu. Ini saya gabungkan dengan ini. C plus the bar C. Okay? C plus the bar C. C plus bar C is 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So, dia akan jadi A plus B times 1. A plus B times 1, the answer is A plus B. Okay? Now, the next part is saya nak buat ini sekarang saya nak buat ini dengan ini. Gabungkan ini sebab tadi kita kata kemet dia boleh overlapping kan. So, ini pun overlapping sekarang Okay. Ini nampak tak? A dengan A sama. Bar C dengan bar C sama. So, I can take out A plus bar C. Then saya gabungkan B plus bar B. B plus bar B is 1 plus 0, it is 1. 1 is true. So, A plus bar C, darab 1, you will get A plus bar C. So, now, I want to combine these two together. Menghasilkan apa? A plus B multiplied by A plus bar C. This is your answer for your POS. Ingat your POS you can do the sharing like this macam ini ini awak boleh buat Satu group sharing and then another group sharing. Di sini ada dua group overlapping to each other. Alright. So kalau tak faham make sure you faham juga kena belajar ini. I show you already. Alright. Any question you want to ask me? Okay. Any question?
One more. Sir.
Okay. On the video. On the video, please. So this POS on your online tutorial lapang so make sure itu kena faham. Itu kena faham. Okay, make sure. Practice and practice and practice and practice. Non-stop practice until you can get it. How to get your SOP from the truth table. How to get your SOP POS from the truth table. Then check number 1 or number 0. Semua kena tahu. Alright. And then the KMAT. KMAT tolong practice. Your next week ujian mesti ada KMAT. Okay. Next week ujian mesti ada KMAT. Next week ujian 4 soalan. Soalan pertama, truth table. Soalan kedua, you change the statement to a symbol. Soalan ketiga, you buat tentang apa? Logic gates. Okay, logic gates. Soalan keempat, KMAT. 4 soalan ini. Okay, tips sudah bagi. Dengar tak dengar? Up to you. Sudah bagi tips Saya nak panggil nama, ambil kehadiran dulu sebab apa kelas awak 55 orang tapi cuma ada 40 orang di sini. Saya nak tangkap orang sekarang. Yang tak datang, saya kira 2 jam. Yang tak balas saya, kira 2 jam tidak hadir. When I call your name, please say yes. Belakang ramai yang tak hadir semua sudah pandai ke ataupun berminat nak ulang sen depan ke? So hari ini 21 hari bulan Okay. Ambil. Okay, Petiana. Setiap nama saya panggil 2 kali sahaja. Tidak balas kira kosong. Petiana. Demam. Okay. Demam